Good day guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make simple animation with CSS. So I already got a folder here with my HTML and my CSS and my images. So if you don't know how to create a folder, I'll show you how to create one. So here's an example of folder. So this is I'll name it space story. Space story. I just name it space. Then to create the HTML folder, open your VS Code. You can create it like this. You can create it without using VS Code, but prefer you open your VS Code. To create your HTML folder, you can open your VS Code, open folder. To create your folder, you create another folder in it, name it CSS. Create another folder, then name it img. Then you to shortcut for opening the folder is Control O. Then you open the space folder we just created earlier. Or we follow the shortcut, the main cut, and open the folder. Then we want to create an HTML file. We create index.html. In the CSS folder, I want to create a CSS folder. Then we name it style.css. So first of all, we'll link our CSS in our HTML. So we shift I. Then we link and let's name it space story. Then we link our CSS folder using the link tag CSS//.css. Then next thing we're going to do is to create a div. Then we use div. Then give the class of space. Let's give the class of story. Then we next another div inside it. Div. It's called nesting. Next another div inside it. Then we'll copy our images from our folder to the new folder. The images I've already stored. And Ctrl C. Then we'll paste it in our new folder. Ctrl V. So here we have gotten it. We have created the folder. The images. I've inputted the images. So first of all, use our MIG tag. Then we'll press search MIG/. Then we'll choose worldwide. That is the Earth. So we can give it a class of Earth. Then we impute another MIG tag and another one. Give it astronaut. We give it a class of astronaut. inside the second div, create another MIG tag. You search MIG, then give mass, then give it the class of mass. Inside the MIG tag, another MIG, you will create rockets, then give it the class of rockets. Inside another one, we input MIG, give it pack, then we create another class of spark, put another put class sparkle, then another MIG tag, then we input another MIG, then we input galaxy, then we create, give it a class of galaxy. Then we can add another name inside it. So if you want to make the icons to be small, just put story, just put miss, for instance, miss, 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 miss. Then I'm coming less. Another way to view your HTML is to go to your folder. Yes, go to your folder, open it. So you can see the icons. The icons are large, so we need to resize the icons. Then we go back, we go to our use our CSS. CSS, I told you earlier on in our course, in the last two videos, I told you it's used for styling. I'll give it a width of 100 pixels, height of 100 pixels. We'll leave it, let's not give it any weight yet. Then we'll give our body color, body color, background color, give our body background color, background color of blue, dark blue. Then we give it width, auto, height, auto. Then the next thing we're going to do is to give the remaining their width. Let's pick planet mass, for instance. Dot mass, position absolute, give it a width of 687 pixels, height of 687 pixels. By the left hand position, left, it will be 9806 pixels, and by the top position, it to be 171 pixels. So the next thing we're going to style is the astronaut. We give it dot astronaut. We give it a position of absolute. We give it a width of 144 pixels. Then give it a height of 144 pixels. Let me just exit this, then come back to my text editor or my code editor. So I would like to introduce you guys to extensions. What are extensions? So I'd like to introduce you guys to extension. This is the go live extension. So this is to show my work live, how automatically, to show it automatically is live. I will show you guys where to download it. Then you go to your settings, you go to extensions, then we type go live extension, go live extension, live server. Then you install it. But I can't uninstall it and install it, and then you go there and install it on your code editor. So we'll continue with the styling. Let's go back. We'll continue with the styling. Then we give it position. It should position to the left by 833 pixels, and to position top by 243 pixels. Then the next thing we're going to start is the rocket. Let me check the spelling if it's correct. Yeah, rocket. So we'll give it a position of absolute. They will give it width of 197 pixels and a height of 197 pixels. Then give it position to the left by 362 pixels. And be positioned to the top by 538 pixels. The next one I'm going to style is the earth. Let me check here. The earth dot earth. Always remember to use dot earth. And it should be position absolute width 463 pixels, height 463 pixels. Left position left by 65 pixels. We position top by 627 pixels. So the next thing we're going to style, sorry, is minus 60 pixels, 65 pixels, sorry. So the next thing we're going to style is the galaxy. be positioned absolute. Width of 290 pixels. Height of 239 pixels. And left position of 145 pixels, and top positioned by minus 33 pixels. Welcome back, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is to reduce it, so I will show you guys how I'm doing it, so you see how the magic goes. So the next thing we're going to do is to style the spark. Reduce it, spark, sparkle, then we give it a position absolute, and give it a width of 666.52 pixels. They will give it a height of 66.52 pixels. Then we'll give it positioned left 362 pixels. Then we'll give it a position Z index. That means it should hide under. It should create like a stuff hidden under the spark. Z index of 1. Then we give it an animation. Using the animation, then give it a name of spark. 9.5 seconds is infinity. Then we also give this galaxy an animation name, galaxy. Timing function of 30.5 seconds is, and infinite. Then we also give them an animation name, worldwide. Timing function 30.5 seconds is infinity, because it causes the animation to repeat forever. Sorry. We also give the rocket an animation name of rocket. Duration of 30.5 seconds. Timing function delay is rotation count infinity. Then the animation direction, normal. They will also give the astronaut an animation name, astronaut. Timing function 9.5 seconds. Delay is rotation count infinity. They will also give mouse animation name, mouse, seconds 30.5 seconds is rotation count infinity. Then also, that's all for now. And the next we are going to use is a keyframe. Is the keyframe tag or the keyframe attribute. So you can see, so I just start at quick frames. Then at keyframe, then the animation name rocket. Animation name rocket. Then the beginning is from 0% and it ends at 100%. It begins from 0 and ends at 100%. So transform, so it transform, translate minus 50%, 50%, 90%. So you can see the animation is, it went down, it went below, so the animation will be, you see, I'll start showing some animations. So then at 100, that is at 100%, nothing happens at 100%. And the next keyframe we're going to use keyframe at worldwide. At keyframe, there's at at 0%. It will transform and it will rotate at 90 degrees. Then at 100%, it will transform and rotate at 360 degrees. There's the galaxy. Okay. Yes, keyframe mode wide. Sorry, I spelled it wrongly. Worldwide. Worldwide. So you can see the worldwide make the edge to be rotating. So the next keyframe we're going to do, add keyframe, astronaut. At 0%. Need to transform and then translate by -50% and 90%. Well, at 100%. You to rotate, translate, transform, then rotate at 30 degrees. Then the next keyframe we're going to do is pack. With keyframe. Pack. Yeah, at 0%. We should transform and translate -50 degrees and 90 degrees, 90%, then at 100%. It will have an opacity of 0.07. Then the next keyframe we're going to use is mass. At keyframe mass. It will have a trait to transform at 0%. To transform at 90 degrees. And to rotate at 90 degrees. Then at 100 degrees. It will rotate at, it will transform, then rotate at 360 degrees. Then at the last one we're going to do is keyframes at galaxy. Then at 100 degrees it will transform at 0 degrees it will transform then translate at -50% and 50%. Then at 100 degrees 100%, sorry, I don't know why I missed 2 degrees. It will rotate at 360 degrees. Transform before it rotates, then rotate at 360 degrees. And the next thing, we're going to make it mobile responsive. Then we use the key media. Then screen. And max width 768 pixels. Then dot space and dot story with 50% with 100%. Story 100% with 100%. So let's see it in full screen. Let's see what we got. I don't know why the galaxy is not rotating. Let me check its name. Yeah, it corresponds. So here's our short space story. Here's a good preview of it. Well, we'll fix the spark, keyframe spark. a bit. This pack we have a top of 6 8.48 pixels. As you can see, we have a good animation here. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be dropping the Git folder in my GitHub account, so if you like, please like and subscribe. Thank you for sticking with my NKY.